We are very excited to be the first speaker of the first ParisTech talks. So my name is Olivier, and I'm with my co-founder Marc. Previously, I co-founded a company called Violet, which was pretty well known for the Wi-Fi bunny. I don't know if you know the Wi-Fi bunny. It's Nabastag, its name. And Marc was the head of the digital agency called Duke Razorfish. So we are creating fun and social interactive things. I mean, real things, tangible things connected to the internet, which are basically useless and we hope fun. And yeah, sometimes you try and you don't really succeed. And we are working. We have a very sophisticated. I don't know if you see. Very sophisticated patent pending algorithm to work. So first we create and design a product, a fun internet connected product. We check everything and we worked until we know how to manufacture it. So we don't only do concept, we don't do concept things or concept video. We create and we design real product that we know the unit cost, we know where we're going to manufacture it, etc., etc. We make a movie, we launch on Kickstarter, we promote like crazy, and if it works, good. We manufacture the product and we sell it. And if it doesn't, well, we iterate. So we started last year with a product called reaDIYmate. So reaDIYmate was DIY kits based on Arduino, the Arduino platform, where you could make your own internet-connected product in 10 minutes based on paper. So you could build paper robots or origami in 10 minutes, and the product was connected to your Gmail account, etc., etc., like a lot of internet-connected products. But the beauty of this was that if you wanted to change the software, you could. I mean, everything was open source, so you could change the software. It was Arduino. You could change the shape, of course, because it was easy. It was paper. And you could add electronic component because it was solderless components, and it was pretty easy to do that. So we created that. We launched on Kickstarter last year. We got a lot of press, and we got funded. The project was successful. We raised around $30,000 on Kickstarter, and then the product are available now. So it's been manufactured by our partner in Shenzhen, China, which is called Seed Studio, and you can buy them on reaDIYmate.com. Next product is TeleSound.
So I have to speak, otherwise I get angry, and I don't like that. So I mean, with reaDIYmate, we had something pretty much useless, but the problem was it was useless for yourself only. And what we really wanted to do is something useless for your group of friends too. I mean, there is, why should you be alone to buy useless stuff? So we came up with this idea of a product called TeleSound. So TeleSound, so it looks like an old 70s telephone handset, and what it does is it connects via Bluetooth 4.0 to your smartphone or tablet, and basically your friends or your family or whoever you want or your colleagues can send you sounds via an Android or iOS application. And the sounds, there are over 1,000 sounds based on the emoji characters, icons. And basically what you can do is it's like a texting app, except, and so you compose messages with symbols, which are emojis. And when you send these emojis, they are transformed into sounds, which compose some sound sentences and are played in push to the recipient's TeleSound. So you say, okay, it's completely useless, but what can I use it for anyway? So it's it's really a kind of open line, like a new landline between a group of people, where you can send stuff like sweet thoughts to your girlfriend, for example, if she's not there, or you can send jokes to your friends, or annoy your colleagues, or get your cat completely mad when you're at work and it's at home. So there are many, many things you can do. So it's pretty interesting and fun to work on the sounds too, because it's really a new sound language that we're inventing. And we launched it a few days ago on Kickstarter. So like 2 weeks ago, we got some good press too, like all the the usual ones. But this time it looks like we're not gonna make it. So maybe people are more sane than we thought. So we know. I mean, there are still a few days. We have still a third of the days, but as we need to do like 80% of the funding, we asked a lot more money than we used to before. It's $100,000 goals, and so now we have to think about it and ask ourselves: okay, are we really more insane than the people who didn't back us, or do we, do something else? And there are many, many things we could do in our field, because nobody wants to do it anyway. But it needs to be done. Someone has to do it. So any questions about Kickstarter? So we're going to have a lot of experience about succeeding in Kickstarter, failing on Kickstarter. So prototyping, manufacturing, logistic, China, demo, movies, Bluetooth, low energy, everything. Don't hesitate to contact us. Yeah, and reaDIYmate is also featured now on the International Design Biennale in Saint-Étienne. So if you're going there, please have a look.